on your assignment today, basically it's just A2, Part 1 and Part 2 put together.
No. Attention all students and staff. Tonight is the opening night for Choctaw High School's alumni performance of Next to Normal. If you order your tickets online, they should be ready at the door. If not, you can pick them up at the door before we start the show. Again, that's it for today, Yellow Jackets.
Okay, you guys put your phones up, headphones, all that. I got 4 problems I want to work for you today.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to bounce around a little bit. 1, probably 11, I think 21 or 23. You guys alright with that?
Let's try to do it all together. I feel like that's a great bonding experience.
No. Okay, so one thing that you need to notice about this one, we haven't worked any of these, but it's not that big a deal. What do you notice about the denominators here? They're already the same, right? So I can just go ahead and put these together, put the numerators together on top. The one thing that I would recommend that you guys do is, if you notice you got a minus sign between there, right? Okay, change that to a plus sign, and then do that. Go ahead and do that right now, right off the bat. You're going to just change the plus, or change minus to a plus, and then put in parentheses right here. Okay? Now, once you get done with that, since my denominator is the same, I can go ahead and include that on the bottom. Okay? I'm going to bring my first numerator over, and then I'm going to go ahead and modify that, changing that to negative x and a plus 6y.
I can finish it for you right there. It'll be 8y over 18x.
Good. So the x's cancel out. Get 8y over 18x squared. Now, am I finished here? Can I go simplify it even further?
Well, you can reduce, can't you?
Yes, exactly. Okay, so what would it reduce to?
4.
Okay, so 2 will go to that. That'll give me 4. 2 will go to that. That'll change that to 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 4y. And you're done.
And that's it. That's
it.
about the easiest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Well, here's my thing. You know, you guys have done a real good job the last couple of days, you know, on the notes and answering questions and stuff. So you guys got a pretty good understanding of what's going on, don't you? I feel like got a pretty good grasp of what's going on. So it makes things easier, okay? Makes everything a whole lot easier. All right? I think. Okay, number 11. Okay? Same thing here, just one similar to what we've been doing the last couple of days. Your denominators are different, okay? I'm going to modify it right from the get-go by doing what? Change my minus sign to a plus, and then I'm going to change that to a negative. Do that from the beginning. And now, what's my common denominator here? Right? Okay, so how do I get this to be the same as that? Good. Right? Okay, what's this turn into at the top? Yeah, just distributed properly, right? Okay, and then the same thing on this one. How do I get this to match up with that? distribute -3 times k. -3 times -3. Okay, can I cancel anything out? 12 plus 9.
21.
Good. Okay, now should I go ahead and foil this or go ahead and leave it? Just leave it. Because you are wanting to do what? With the simplified form. Okay, so don't foil it back. Okay, just leave it like that. Very good. Okay, so what do you got here? Fraction over a fraction, right? So I have to modify anything here? And that's a what? We don't divide though, what do we do? Okay, so I'm going to change the division to a multiplication. And then I'm going to flip that bottom one. And then I go ahead and cancel those out. Actually, they just equal 1. And then multiply my fractions, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. That's as far as I can go. Okay, so on this one, you're going to have to work it in parts, right? You have to do the top part first, and then do the bottom part. Okay? What's the common denominator right here? 2y, right? Okay, so I'm going to multiply this first one by what? So that gives me y on the top. Now I should go ahead and plus minus, right? And now I got to multiply this to get by 2, right? So 2 times -2. You guys with me so far? Now I'm going to go ahead and put them together. Just like so. And now I'm done with that one for now. I got to come back and do the bottom common denominator. Okay, so how do I get this to look like that? X squared times x squared. Yeah. I got a plus sign, so I don't have to worry about any of that, right? This one I got to multiply by. That gives me 2y squared. Okay, so x to the 4th plus 2y squared over x squared y squared. I'm going to change my division to a multiplication. I'm going to flip that one. Somebody tell me what I need to do next. And I'm thinking about this one and this one.
Switch them. Oh,
No? You just had, both of them are just what? Monomials, right? How many y's do you have here? One. So can I cancel that out? And then change this y to a first power? Right? Okay, now just multiply. I'm going to put that in parentheses because it is a binomial. 2 times that, 2 times that, and then you got this times that, and that times that. So the first one, x squared, y to the first times y gives me what? X squared, y to the second power. And then this times the -4 gives me -4 x squared y. 2 times x to the 4th gives me 2x to the 4th. 2 times 2y squared gives me 4y squared. Now, can you cancel any x's or y's right here? The answer is no, right? Because they're bound together by plus or minus signs, right? If they were by themselves, then yes, I could. Okay, but since these two are bound together, those two are bound together, I can't cancel anything else out. Okay? All right, now, some of you have already got it. What do I need today? Right, the classwork 1 through 17. Some of you have already graded it, got it turned in, right? If you haven't finished grading it, you need to check your corrections. You need to do that today and get it to me. Okay? You come up one at a time and grade it right here at the corner of my desk. And then return back to your desk if you need to make corrections. If not, just give it to me with the score on it. Is everybody clear on that? Okay. In the meantime, when's the worksheet due?
I hope it ain't today.
Well, that kind of is up to you guys, right? You work hard, you get a lot done, then I'll make it due Monday. Does that sound all right? If you do finish it, you want to give it to me, give it to me and I'll hang on to it. I could even probably start grading it for you. How does that sound? Don't listen to music while you work, that's fine with me. Also too, some of you guys, if you write big and you don't have enough space on that worksheet, work it out on a sheet of notebook paper, okay? And then just staple it to your sheet. If you'd like, transfer your answers to your worksheet. Okay? Just make sure that you include what? Your work. Alright, I want to see. I want to make sure that you guys have a good understanding of what's going on. Is this probably, this part, I don't know, what do you guys think? Is this harder than Nate 1?
No.
Okay, so are they about the same, you think? Okay.
You know what's weird? I haven't seen today.
Oh.
That's
That
nice.
sucked first.
I'm glad you.
Wait, actually, yeah, I did for us, never mind. But only once. That's probably up there in the ranking books.
Glad you shared that with us.
you have a pin so I can finish grading this?
A pen?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
And there's the two. I think it starts right here.
And then, how come when they both cancel out, you just want us to put a 1 over it? Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. Yep.
And then we just, okay.
Yep. Now you can check, if you guys want to check your worksheet, want to check your answers, you can do that. Now, bring that to me real quick. I think you got something wrong there. Okay, now a negative 5y and a negative 5y, do they cancel each other out?
Oh no, so we just add them together?
Yeah, that'd be negative 10y, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, and then 10 and 15, what would that cancel to? What did they have in common?
5.
Okay, so that'd be negative 2y,
Or 5.
3.
3x, yeah. Okay.
I just cancel everything because it
Okay,
was all
but everything doesn't cancel though, DJ.
Oh, except for the X, because one was negative and one wasn't. Huh?
Okay, but the x's, you're right, they cancel.
No.
But you got a negative 5y and a
And
negative
a
5y.
So they can just
No, what's a negative added to a negative?
a positive. No, another negative would be negative 10y.
There you go.
Oh, 15. And then I could factor that to 5.
Yeah, then you could cancel, or you could simplify the 10 and the 15.
Be 5. And 3.
No. 5 will go into 10 how many times?
2. That's what I meant to say. Yeah. 2 and then 3. That's what I meant to do.
No, because it's just combining like terms.
Alright.
Yes.